Hello everybody. Ooh. Happy Sunday. It is time to finally turn our game into a proper third-person game. So right now, yeah, we got this going on. It's first person. And in doing so, I'm going to need to rewrite some of the control logic, namely the camera, because right now the camera is like tied to your mouse movement, as you can see. So we're going to need to adjust that just a pinch. And the way I plan on doing that is using the input manager, which we currently are not using. So I guess we gotta start with that. Hold up. Oh yeah, I can open up my level editor code. That'll be a soonish thing I want to get in there, is actually put the level editor in this game. Because this works with the, I might want to open the whole project actually now that I think about it, but this could work too, though. I don't know. There's like something I need to inherit from. No, there's not actually. Okay. Oh yeah, it's this. Okay, so there's like some... there's some wacky stuff here. Oh, okay, so this is... Right, oh yeah, generate something based on your profile here when you create your controls. I don't think I did this on stream, or maybe I did, I can't remember. But yeah, this is sort of the new hotness in Unity and how to process like input controls. I figured while we're like rewriting the controls, we might as well update all this so that it does what it needs to do. Yeah, and that's kind of, I think that's gonna probably take us all night to get all of this stuff lined up, right? So, yeah, actually, you know, I don't know why I drag it to my other screen. Let's keep that on this monitor. Why not? It's not like you guys haven't, well, I mean, you guys haven't seen part of this code, but this code base is not only available, but up to date in my GitHub, so it's readily available at anyone that might want it. Yeah. So, the first thing we want to do, let's go open up the player prefab. It's not under prefabs. There we go, player controller. Yeah, so there's a camera in here. Oh, we got a camera container. Okay, so this is almost perfect. Almost. We just need to like... It's almost what I need. The only problem is the thing that we're moving, it's no longer like this. We gotta go do something else. Yeah. I guess that piece is actually totally fine. In fact, we may actually be able to keep this as is. So if we just move this container back a little bit, this won't be right, but this this will get us like partially there. So for example, if I go now, we'll be looking over the back of our shoulder basically. And yeah. Yeah, so this isn't exactly what we want in terms of control, but this is, you know, we're now in third person technically speaking. So basically all we need to do now is give this, and I guess we kind of already have this, because if we rotated the camera itself, oh boy, of course this is on this playlist, I'm turning that down, it's really loud. Yes, Twitch, I want to go watch someone else stream while I'm streaming, thank you. But if we rotate this around its like center here, or if we actually just change the center of this, we could rotate this as needed, basically. Actually, wait, hold on. So don't move this out. Put that back at 0, 0, or yeah, that is at 0, 0, 0. But if we move this out, and then if that thing were to rotate, this is all just sort of theoretical here. So say we rotate this guy, right? Yeah, so that'll swing our camera around, and then up and down and all around, as they say. top meme song here. What's up, ZD? Yeah, I mean, I guess, you know, we'll move this out here. This might actually... I forget how I set this up. I might actually just need to change one reference to something. I almost need, like, a secondary room where I can just have, like, a non-net... Yeah, okay, that's mostly right. The only thing is, like... Oh yeah, we're always moving forward relative to the camera, though. So that's... That part... maybe that's right, though. I don't know. That doesn't feel too bad, control-wise. There's some, like, weird angles I probably would want to cap it at. But that pretty much is what I need. I think we already have this mostly set up. Obviously, the camera's a little claustrophobic right now. I need to move that back a little bit. Maybe that's all I have to do, and then from there, we're just good. Maybe I overthought this. We'll just start it at, like, a reasonable value, right? Like, have it kind of there over the shoulder. Perfect. A perfect third-person camera, chat. Honestly, I mean, it's kind of what we need. Maybe I don't need to mess with the control scheme at all. I thought that for sure, like, controlling the camera was going to need to be a whole new thing. Alright, well, stream over. No, I'm kidding. seven minutes of streaming here. Okay, bye. No. If anything, I want to get some controller support set up here. Oh, my controller's plugged in and I'm not spinning endlessly. That's interesting. So we will actually, I think, move into, like, input processing, I think, from here. I do want to limit this a little bit. Maybe have some logic so you can't... I don't know, I guess there's not a problem to letting you do this, right? Like, doesn't look good, but I don't know, maybe like somewhere like down here would be like the limit. What is rotating? None of these are recording any amount of rotation on them. I'm losing my mind. What? Alright, how does this code even work again? here's the real question. That'd be the player controller. So I'm trying to get values for, like, where we want to limit it so that you can't, like, put it at a weird angle. But now I don't remember where any of that is. Here we go. Mouse X, mouse Y. Okay. So changes the Euler angles of whatever camera container is, which I think that's just this, right? But it's not... The rotation doesn't change. Like, it should be changing, right? Let me double check. What is the camera container set to? It's set to camera container. Okay. Yeah. It's up at... Yeah. I know. Listen, this playlist I put on doesn't list the songs, and I did not know that We Shop Wednesday would be the fucking, like, first song. Not We Shop Wednesday, but the We Shop music, goddammit. Ninja Gaiden 1, Ninja Gaiden 2, Ninja Gaiden 3, Cruising USA. Greatest song of all time. It's an earworm, that's for sure. That feels real good, movement-wise. The only thing is we need to all right, let's review our other code. So like if I am going to transform this over to reading inputs this way. So we have this handle look. Wait, are we still just getting raw axes though? I think we are. Huh. No, wait, I'm in the wrong project. There we go. That would do it. On move cursor. Yeah, I am gonna need to open this whole project. I assume there's no problem in doing this, right? Why would it? Why would there be? Importing what? I literally haven't changed this at all. It could not have planned this better, I think, honestly. Oh, it closed my other instance. Damn it. Okay. Whatever. Ignore that. Don't worry about that. What I actually want to see in here is oh, it's under project settings. No. Also not that. Oh, right. So you make one of these. It's input action asset. Yeah, and then we define all these things. Okay, so we're gonna do this for our other project, basically. And it seems like I can't just tab back and forth checking on them, so that sucks. Before I leave here, I just want to check... not dependencies, damn it. Project settings. Package manager. No, not package manager. Oh god. Manage packager. Package manager. There it is. This one, not the other one that I opened up, obviously. Which thing did I install? Input system. Okay. From there, that's pretty much all we do. We do that, and then we do the rest. Okay. It's called input system. Change... Oh, wait, no, they're both open. Oh, they're in two different versions of Unity, so they have two different tray icons. Okay, cool. So we can flip back and forth. That's cool. In fact, this one's 2021.3. This one's 2020.3. What fucking... Whatever. Whatever. We'll address that later. Oh, not all of them. Input system. Install. Maybe we'll do that tonight. Maybe I'll update the Unity version that this game's on, because there's even cooler bells and whistles in like the newer. I hope this isn't out of date too. I mean, it's still updated November 2022, so it's not too long ago. As far as I know, this is the most up-to-date way to process input in Unity, but I could be wrong. How many hours is it? Is it literally just one song and then like an hour of fucking Wii Shop music? Okay, we're coming up on a new waveform, so I'm assuming that's a different song. Great prank if true. Yeah, what the fuck? No, I'm sorry. 2 Animal Crossing songs that took like a total of 4 minutes, and then Wii Shop music for 15 minutes. Thanks. Yes. Wait, which, Do you want to enable the backend? Doing so will start the editor. Wait, what? This project is using the new input system package, but the native platform backends for the new input system are not enabled in the player settings. This means no inputs from the native devices will come through. Do you want to enable the back? Yes. Yes, we want to do that. Same song, but louder. No, some hero in the comment section timestamped all the songs in here. So it is ending very shortly. In 6 minutes. Alright, fuck you, Wii Shop Music. Get out of here. Another meme song. Alright. We got our input system. And this is called... Is this super loud too? Nah, not really. Okay, we're good. This feels really loud. Then we need to make a... Way shop music was made to... intended to be made to be listened to for 10 hours plus. I mean, yeah, you don't want a song that's like grating to hear in your store where people are spending money. Oh god, where the hell is this thing? What is it called again? It is called a input action asset. Fuck if I know where that is. I don't know, I keep going under UI stuff, it's not gonna be there. I might need to go look up a tutorial really quick. I don't know... I just gotta get started and then I'll know what I'm doing. It's been a while since I set one of these up. Alright. Unity input system. Why you should switch to the Unity input system, right? Meow. Ah, it was right in front of us the whole time, chat. Input actions at the very bottom. Player input. Or player controls. I don't know. Yeah, whatever. That's good. That's good enough. Okay, cool. Now we have this thing. So, what we do now is... Probably could find a better name for that, but whatever. What the hell did I call it in my other project? Oh yeah, these are all individual, like, Alright, I'm kind of done with this playlist. They just put, like, dumbass meme songs. Let's do this. It's a shorter one, though. It's fucking... There we go. Alright, so yeah, these are individual, like, movement thingies. And then underneath these we can, add our various, like, things for how we input them. Wait. Shoot. Oh, right, this is... That's broken up into two different things for because the editor works different way. Pardon me. Sorry, that popped up out of nowhere. How do I rename this? There we go. Movement. Keyboard. Any key. How does this, oh shoot. I lied, I guess I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, okay, it needs to be 4 different keys, gotcha. So this is a 2D vector, yeah, okay. What? Oh, because it needs to be a composite. Is that different up here? Oh. Yeah, okay. It's all coming back to me. It's not a single button, it is... Oh, shit. Oh, yeah, this needs to be a composite type. But wait, no, it's not right. Hold on. Value? There we go, I guess? I don't know. Well, this will be easy. Boom, left stick, movement, easy peasy. Yes. Yay! W key. S key. A key. And right key. Oh, buddy. Oh, we're probably gonna need... shoot. Yeah, I will actually most likely need, like, 2 separate input readers for, the individual buttons based on different controllers. Yeah, that's fine, though. I mean, really, that's not just mildly, like... Wait, what? WSAR. Chat, I cannot see the D button. Ah, it's further down. Ah. Uh-oh. Okay, wise guy. Why? Okay, there we go. Oh, it was at the top. This is most relevant. I don't know if anyone can even see this drop down that I'm, like, fighting with right now. I don't think... I guess this is larger than normal, but it doesn't feel larger than normal. Oh, this is not a button as well. This... No, not a pass-through. I'm actually not sure what a pass-through is in this instance, but... Yeah, so right stick on the gamepad, or... I think I just want a binding for this one, because I think I can do the mouse. Oh, yes. I guess if I just use the delta on the mouse, that's the same as using, like, the stick, I think. I might want to check the docs on that. But we'll make assumptions now and check later. Lay bomb. RTFM, never. I'll just get confused and complain about it. Like a true gamer. Lay bomb, jump. Those are all the buttons we need for now. We can always update this later too. It's not like this isn't set in stone. Oh man. Doge hype. Why did I read your fucking scam website out loud? Get fucked. Scammer, get the fuck out of here. Banned. Eat shit. Don't go to that website, anybody. I mean, I guess you can't now. I banned him. Add that site to the block terms. Yeah, I guess, but yeah. Yeah. What if I want to go there? I feel like every single time I don't get those people often, and every time I do, it's a different site anyway. It's not that it's useless. And then you could have mods that could do it for you. True. Like, if it was happening, like, constantly, easily I would add that to the block terms, but, like, I mean, it's probably been, like, 2 months since I've seen someone say one of those, like, promotional links, and it definitely wasn't that URL last time. So, I don't know. I might be able to find some smart wording to, like, catch them. Okay, this song just blew out everyone's volume. Everyone's volume. Hold up. Adjusting. The song is called Boy Meets Girl, and it's in Earthbound. These are all songs from Mother 1 through 3. Getgood.rip.gov. I wish there was a .rip domain. Anyway. Oh, wait! No! Oh my god! This is amazing. So, I think this actually... This is the magic of, this input reader. I believe... wait. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, no, this is... Okay. I was thinking of this because you can press, like, oh, the button on the right or whatever. Or yeah, button east. But I don't think this actually works. We're gonna try it, though. Or... Alright, so I will set this to the button on the left, so button west. I don't think that works because, like... for example, Xbox and PlayStation have different mappings for their button faces. Pardon me. But we will test that later. And again, the real solution here is just like, okay, add one binding for PlayStation, add one binding for Xbox, and then so on and so forth, ad nauseum. When's my mobile version gonna come out? This could almost work on mobile. Other than I don't know if it'd run, but it probably wouldn't run. Fun fact though, ZD, I've actually released 2 different mobile games in the past, and they were both terrible, and you can't find either of them anymore. One of them was a tower defense game called Ninja Flinger, which literally there's no reason we can't still have that on the store, but Android updated something and it like they asked us to like update our like parental control settings or whatever, and we just didn't bother because like no one played the game, and then it just got kicked out of the store. So we could easily get it back in there if we just resubmit with the new like fields, new metadata fields. We don't even need to change anything. I think I actually still have it on my phone because I have it installed as just the APK. Yeah, and then we never got through the iOS store. Like, we have an iOS build of it that works just fine, but like, I forget why we didn't finish doing that. I think we just kind of like gave up hope. We built it for Windows Phone too, though. And then we had another game that ran on, was it Cocoon.js? So like, it's like a wrapper thing. So it was like an HTML5 app, but we wrapped it as an app and ported it to all the phones that way. And we found out it ran terribly on Android and iOS, so we just released it on Windows Phone Store. And as you know, this is how long ago that was. Hey, what's up, Noir Mouse? Just talking about the past here. I need to pick a button here. We've been using Q to lay bombs. I guess that's fine. Nothing wrong with that. Jump button. I'm moving so slow right now. And I don't care. So jump, we will try button south. see if this works or not. Oh wait, hold on. There's a like generic gamepad button, Wes. This might do the translation for me, but I feel like I've tried this already and I know that it doesn't work for like the different like bindings. That assumes a standardized like binding. So it's either PlayStation or Xbox. One of them has like a weird like input that it gives, so it's like a different button. But I don't know, maybe they've updated it and now it's like it does that translation, but I don't know. Probably X. Box. Yeah, those are all the controls in the game, so I'm gonna stop yammering on. Yeah, I think you're right. Like, I think it's something weird with, like, the way PlayStation would do their stuff. Oh, right. By the way, I guess some of you might know, because you're in if you're in Discord. It's then pulled away because food arrived. Oh, nice. Enjoy. Hope you got some good food. Welcome in. Good to see you. But yeah, anyway, I know most of you already know this, but Straylight got a speedrun.com, or got accepted into speedrun.com recently. Like, I think it was this morning. So... and the person that submitted their run has made, I think, 4 categories, which is just based off input I gave of, like, there's any percent, all levels, 100%, and then, like, all cubes, I think, was the other category he put in there. Okay, so we have all that set up. Now I need to actually bind this to something. In fact, I bet all the controls are busted right now because of this. I need to go revisit what I did in code here. So I basically set up, like, listeners last time. This feels weird to me, but I guess it worked for one of your games. Yeah, here, let me pull it up. This is the game we just released last month, or not last month, at the end of January. So yeah, boom. Straylight. This is one run, but... yeah. Dude tore through the goddamn game. It's ridiculous. The one silly thing about the run, though, is, so, like, this is sort of like what I always envisioned for categories of the game, because we had speedrunning kind of in mind, because you can kind of play the game quickly. But, like, as pointed out, this is actually the same video for any percent versus all levels, because, like, where we defined any percent being done, it's just like partway through the run. Basically there's like a bunch of extra levels that you unlock once you beat the main campaign. Anyway, enough of that. 15 minutes, what the I know. It's not a short game, but didn't have VR, but congrats, thanks. I'm hoping I need to go. There's a VR speedrunning Discord I'm in, but there's no, like, self-promote channel, so I don't know how to, like, hey guys, here's this VR game that's built for speedrunning. I'd love that, though, if we could get them in there. I've seen, like, 2 different, like, complete strangers review the game, mentioning that, like, hey, I noticed there's not a lot of people on the leaderboard, I'd love to get some competition. Like, one of them was a YouTuber that made a video, and they were like, it's like a call to action, like, hey, all you guys with headsets, come out there and put your entries in so we can duke it out. Yeah, no, it's just, like, a really, like, I guess, small speedrunning Discord. I actually got in there because of, there was someone that was in a booth next to us at a convention that we showed our game off at. And they also had a VR game, and they were talking VR with me, like, while we were getting a drink or something. And they were like, yeah, you should join this Discord. And I'm like, oh, hell yeah. I'm not really a speedrunner anymore, but our game is very speedy. Oh no, I have a self-promo channel if you want to join my Discord. I'm talking about the speedrunning Discord that I'm in. But yeah, if you want to join, come on in. I've completely sidetracked myself talking about my own game. No pressure, but... Okay, so we have to... Pardon me. We have to enable these. This seems wrong, but I guess whatever. Whatever. Do we use this anywhere else? Oh, because we need to turn them off on disable. Gotcha. Okay. I don't think this matters that much. Yeah. Also fair. Yeah, I don't know if I've shown this ever on stream, but like where's a safe place to show this? I guess there's nothing showing that's bad right now, so it's probably okay. But yeah, like I've got so many freaking servers. Oh boy. That's not even all of them because it's collapsed. Like I have emoji servers that are just like in one folder, and then like Twitch servers for like people that I occasionally go like post a meme or steal a meme, but I really don't pay attention to the server. It's a lot of shit. Like 4 or 5 categories. Yeah, that's more or less where I'm about. But most of mine are like open all the time because like it's like servers I'm active in. Blah, 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 blah. Right, yes. Oh, okay, so here's one thing I'm not sure how I'm gonna manage. Right, so we store these. Oh, man. Okay, because this is a networked game, I don't need this to run like 6 times. Oh, man. I guess I would just put a check is mine and then run this. Okay, yeah, that should work. Hopefully. Yeah, so back to this guy. Oh, right, there's a new file in here. Dude, I don't know what is going on with this PC, but like every now and then the font will get like crazy tiny on like the headers of Windows. And it's not just Visual Studio, like other stuff does it too. Nice. Oh, hey, look, I even have a thing. Hey, use a modern input reader here. Neato. Okay, so we're gonna want to do on enable and on disable. Ah. Oh, that's dope. I don't even know. I think I have a voice channel set up in my Discord, but it might be... Yeah, I only have a mod one in there. I'm totally okay with adding ones, it's just there's not a lot of people in my Discord currently, so... It's not much of a use for one. I just want to keep things clean. Like, just visually, so you're not like, here's 10,000 channels in this Discord that's fucking dead. I forgot the name of the object that we need to store. This is gonna be like the next 30 minutes of me working on this, is just tab to one project, tab to the other project, input action, and then we also need... I don't... do we need this? I don't think we need to store this. Oh, no, we need to store it because we need to, pass it in. Yeah, that makes sense. That's a mood. Oh, right, it's not called level order controls, it's called player P controls. It's not called player controller. Maybe it's player controls? The heck did I name this thing? Oh, wrong one. It is called player controls. What the heck? Maybe I have to close and reload Visual Studio. Excuse me, sir, where are you? Unit test? You know, you're not the first person to badger me about that in in my like game dev streams. Although I in fact, you know the other, well, I mean, you don't know who it is, but you are familiar with the individual that was talking to me about it, except they were being serious. Though to be fair, it's not like the worst idea in the world to add tests, but I know it's really it's one of those like necessary evils. Like I wouldn't say I hate writing tests in my day job, but it's not like the highlight of coding for me. You know which game from Demo Disc I wanted to see code of? Please do tell. That would be really neat. And also not surprising considering I believe that's your favorite one, or I think you said it was your favorite one, right? Just write the code well. So here's the most convincing argument I have towards writing tests. And please, you know, by all means, I'm not like preaching this as absolute, like, whatever. But good tests replace documentation. Because if you're testing like your business logic properly, this maybe doesn't apply so much to games, but like things will blow up if you're changing something, and unless you intend to like actually change that, you'll either go fix whatever you broke, or you'll then update the test to reflect what the new logic needs to be. Because documentation becomes stale as soon as you write it, and also writing documentation is horrible. Yeah, no, that's fair. Oh, one of your favorites, also fair. Made in Game Maker Studio, Tech Wizardry. Yeah, I would love, because isn't, like, Hotline Miami is also made in Game Maker Studio. I would love to see some of those, like, crazy indie games that people made in, like, the weirdest of, like, inflexible game engines. Not that Game Maker's not inflexible, but you definitely can't easily do whatever you want in it. Seen some people do some pretty wacky stuff in RPG Maker when I was growing up. Because I had a couple of friends that did like game dev stuff as a hobby. I think that was like people that I played StarCraft with, and some of them sent me some stuff. I'm like, how did you even manage to make this weird, like super focused engine do this thing? I need to, man, this is the other end of the of that spectrum. I need to start figuring out, or start experimenting with Unreal Engine. I think the next project I make on stream will probably be something in UE, because I learned UE. That was like the first 3D engine I learned, but that was like 2005 or something. So like really, really old Unreal Engine. Yeah, let's make a UE game. That'd be neat. My C++ is also very rusty. When I was in college, I would only write in C++ because I spent I need to figure out how to make this. Let me reference it. I spent my entire high school, like every class I was able to get around like learning programming stuff was all in Java, and I'm like, man, I hate stinking Java. I want to learn to use a real language like C++. That was like Weenie Hut Jr. Alright, I'm gonna close Visual Studio, see if that helps at all. Actually, let's close both instances. Oh, Baba is used in Game Maker. I guess that's less surprising, because that's like Baba is used one of those games where it's like a really, really tight concept, but like tech-wise, there's not too much that's like, oh my god, I can't imagine how they did that. Experiment in Ren'Py. It's fun to watch. It's cool. I've never touched that one. I'm familiar with what it is though. It's the visual novel one, right? Not really my cup of tea as far as games go, so that's why I've never really touched it. Yeah. It's not half C, half Java. When I got to college, it was like the first class I took, which I think was like Computer Science 2 or something. It had to be Java, but then after that, they just let you do whatever the fuck you wanted. I'm in the wrong class. You still don't know what this is. What? Nah. Why? Oh, I think I know what's going on. I think I need to put, like, generate script or something. Maybe not that. Oh, there it is. Ta-da! There we go. And I think I need to redo this if I update the schema, but that's But that should work fine for now, at least. Now I might need to restart, because it probably doesn't know what the hell that is. Oh, nope, there we go. And since I've done namespacing very poorly, I don't even need to reference anything, since everything's just in the same namespace. Huzzah! Okay, wow, 10 years later, we're ready. Player controls dot default dot camera. I think this is what I did in the other one, right? The syntax seems to be happy, so we're gonna stick with that. Then camera dot on. Oh shoot. Is it binding? No. All right, we need to go back to their code. Let's go open that back up. There we go. That is an auto-generated or a third-party library class. I'm going to ignore that for now. Good old Visual Studio freeze when you open it up. Totally normal, don't worry about it. Oh, okay, we don't even define a reference to this, so I can just set equals new controls or whatever. I feel like when I was at least finding a place in horror, now that they're moving away from just being Doki Doki. I still have never played that game. One day I probably will. I feel like I've like completely just missed an entire wave of like stuff though. That is good though. It's good to hear. They're not just, you know, rehashing the same thing over and over. Or rather, even worse, like just imitating the same thing over and over. Okay, yeah, so it is just... Oh, dot performed, that's what it is, okay. Yeah. I know there's like a huge... I don't know the spoiler, but I know there's a huge spoiler in that game, which I have somehow avoided. Not that I'm looking for anyone to call that out, but... Cool, so now we just need to do this for each of these actions. Can't help but think there's probably some like elegant way I could shorthand this, or at least like copy paste, but whatever. The dinosaur ending is wild. I don't know enough about the game, but I'm going to assume that that's complete sarcasm. And that T-Rex, wow. There's a indie horror game called Them and Us that has alternate endings, and one of them is, I guess it's a nod to a couple different horror franchises, but I took it as a nod to Silent Hill 2's UFO endings and or like the silly endings they all have. It seemed most inspired by that, if anything. Oh, and then if it's not me, just ignore this altogether, and this should prevent it from like reinitializing itself time and time again. Do I have an Awaken here? I do have an Awaken here. Nice. Sweet. Yeah, that is true. I love, oh man, which game is it? I think it's Shattered Memories. The UFO ending in that game is pretty sweet. Yeah, because that's where James comes in. The 1 and 3 is pretty solid too, though. I'm pretty excited. I know there's no release date set, but I'm pretty excited for Silent Hill 2 Remake. I hope that'll be good. I like Bloober Team. I think they've made a lot of good games. I know the one thing that most people say about them making the Silent Hill 2 Remake is, well, they've never done good combat, and I suppose that's fair, but at the same time, I'm hoping that that'll just be okay. That's true, yeah. I have played both 4 and Downpour, but those are probably, well, of the ones I've played, those are the only 2 I haven't finished. I also haven't played Book of Memories, and I haven't played the arcade one. I think that's all of them, because I've played Homecoming and finished it, and then I've played 1 through 3 a million times as a teenager. And I think I'm forgetting one of them. Oh, Origins, yeah, I've played through Origins. I don't really like that one, honestly. Can't remake the ending scene. Yeah, I wonder what they'll do for that. I'm assuming you mean the dog ending. Yeah, oh yeah. There's a lot of... I completely forgot that they announced like 60 Silent Hill things coming out. That's gonna be... something in that is gonna be good. one of those products, whichever one it is, I don't know, maybe it's Silent Hill F, maybe it's Silent Hill Tales or whatever the like other thing is. Hopefully one of them will be good. Or one of them has to be good. Hopefully all of them are good, but we'll see. Time will tell. Oh, you mean like, oh yeah, that moment. That's fair. They really, if you've seen the trailer for the new one, they really seem to be going hard on that drama of James, so... It's probably gonna happen. I don't know if they'll capture the emotion quite the same. That has been ruined forever for me. Like, there was a meme that came out, I think it was like 2 years ago, of like, it's just that scene where he's sitting in front of the television, and then he just starts fucking like twerking. Someone like reanimated his model. But it's the same music playing, so he's just dancing to it, but it's getting down. And now I can never take that, like, that incredibly serious moment serious again. Okay, so basically I just need to like steal the logic I have over here, I think. Well, not exactly. But basically this. Hell yeah. Oh, right, we need a button to quit. Oh, yeah, we need our menu input stuff. Oh, shoot. That's true. Twerk to that at the club, exactly. Oh, dang it. Well, I was right. This is going to take me all night, but mainly just because I keep distracting myself. Okay, so we got X and Y, so we just take it like that. Gotcha. Oh, context.read value. Perfect. Got it. I need to play Pizza Tower, like, immediately. I can't believe I have gone this long without playing it. I don't know why this random Earthbound song, or... Oh, sorry, this one's from Mother 3. I got... I'm a fraud, I haven't even played that game. Okay, so we want the X. Let's replace this with X. And just replace this with Y, and we're good to go. That one's easy. Yeah, no, I loved Wario Land 4. It was so cool. And Wario Land 3. Wario Land 3 doesn't have the same energy as 4. 4 is definitely more puzzly, which is what it seems like Pizza Tower is more going for. Yeah, but that game was the shit. Anyway, handle move. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep cheating and using all of my code down here until it works. And by cheating, I mean, I don't know. Oh wait, I already have this called moveder. No! Now this is Earthbound. You can't tell me it's not. Yeah, hospital music. Oh yeah, by the way, since I'm gonna assume some of you are here that most likely don't follow my Twitter that I make one tweet every like 4 months on, or my and aren't in my Discord. I made a poll, an online poll. I'm gonna go revisit some games soon. Some games I've streamed but not finished. So I put a poll out there. I didn't use straw poll because I wanted to make it so you can vote once a day. But there's the link. Have at it if you have any input on that. We did a little bit of that like a couple weeks ago. I played Dr. Robotnik's Mean Bean Machine because I hadn't played it in a while and I've never actually finished that game before, so we got there. we did beat the game. After much pain and suffering. This might actually not be as bad as I think it is, unless this doesn't work. If this doesn't work, then we're in trouble. Yeah, Monstrum. That one's gonna be tough, because I got pretty far in that. I mean, I know it's like you restart constantly in it, but like I got pretty far in it and I just could not Oh, okay, so I don't even need to do this check here, but we do need to check if you're grounded. I hit a wall where I'm like, I literally don't know how I can even finish this, so that'll probably be a lot of trial and error if we get that one. I forget who told me to try that game, but it was pretty cool. No, I guess I'll eventually just delete these methods, but... I'm gonna move all these actually down to where the other ones I'm stealing from are, so we don't need this input.key down anymore. And... oh, I guess I'll leave that to do there. Yeah. It's that one. I'm not familiar with that. Might have to go check that out. I think the only time I've... not that I'm like shitting on Markiplier, but I think the only time I've ever watched a Markiplier video was the Sonic Dreams collection, if anyone remembers that. And then I made my girlfriend play that on stream. Without telling her what was happening. Literally died. Oh my gosh. Tragic. Okay, so this should work with about 60 asterisks next to that statement. Oh, you know what I don't need to do though? This does not need to be serializable. Pardon that brief flash of my desktop there. In fact... oh, fuck. What did I just do? Oh, I think I... okay, I think we're good. I think I just moved my camera down. Ooh, nice. Hopefully. Let me make sure my code's all still here. Yep. We're good. This is the wrong project, though. There we go. Now we're back. I will need to check that to make sure that this doesn't like break when there's multiple people here, but baby steps. Let's get the... Okay, that's way too sensitive, but it's working. Wait, hold on. Spoke too soon. Some of it's working. Oh. Oh, it doesn't stop. I can't stop. Oh no, okay, the input processing is just like whack. This is kind of working though. Yeah, that's fair. Oh, actually, this works pretty well on the controller. Ew, okay, except the camera is like jaggy as all hell. I guess I don't even need to say it, you guys could see it. I don't really understand why that's happening. Oh, maybe, you know what? Maybe for stuff like that. Also, I never stop moving for some reason. Not really sure what's going on there. Yeah. I'm an old man, so sadly or not sadly at all, I just missed out on those. I'm an old man and yet also the youngest in my generation, so family-wise. So I like completely missed out on all that stuff. Other than, of course, the stuff that everybody knows about them, especially PewDiePie. Man, people, not to get into that. I'm like, unless I'm vaguely, I'm 34. Actually, I'm not 34 yet. I'm 33. I'm almost 34. I forgot how old I am. Yeah, it gets that way. I mean, at a certain point, it just doesn't even matter anymore. It's, you know? Yeah. At 25, I was, like, focused on it, because that's, like, you know, the last milestone of, like, oh, you can, like, rent cars without it being stupidly expensive, and that's about it. I still haven't rented a car. I almost rented a car last year, but then we ended up having to cancel our trip to California, so I had to cancel renting a car. Which, to some degree, I'm happy about. You know, it's weird because I've lived in New York City, but I was still nervous about driving in LA. Like, I was like, oh god, I really don't want to drive here. But it just wouldn't have made sense to do anything else there. There's that too. That is true. Okay, so this is like half working. What is going on here? Oh, you know what it is? Oh, shoot. Okay. I think I understand. Oh, wait, this is not a vector 2, though. Oh, okay. Oh, man. Wait, no, yeah. It kind of is. Okay, well this works. Wait, we can steal the code from here because this does work over here. Okay, so it is still read as a vector 2. But then if I go into the actual code here, this is set up as... Oh, you know what? I probably set the mode wrong. Darn it. Ah, crap. Okay, yeah. Go back over here. We may need to regenerate this. I'm not really sure. Probably do. Oh, no, it's actually exactly the same. The only thing I'm noticing is, like, this is an action, and on this one it calls it a composite at the top level. Oh, no, it doesn't. Never mind. It's exactly the same. There you go. You've almost made it. Okay, but this is actually still the same though, so I'm not sure what I've done wrong. Maybe it's maybe something underneath I didn't check off. Oh, hold on. Oh. Yeah, using control scheme. Oh wait. Okay. That's actually a good thing to be mindful of here. Oh, okay. Okay, this will not fix it, but I should do this. Because we can actually, like, hard turn off certain control schemes using this thing. You heard what? Wait, what? Maybe I'll leave this for now. I don't know, I guess it's supposed to be done. Crack my back. Yeah, that's pretty cool. If you want to know something, I guess this isn't mind-blowing or anything, but or maybe nothing to brag about, but our whole dev team for Straylight is like, I'm the youngest one. Not by a wide margin, but the like other tail end of our group is pretty up, not pretty up there. It's not like they're 70 years old or anything, but that crazy Mario modder, who's that? There's a skeleton. Yeah, there's a skeleton in the back. Okay, so we want I guess we'll call it gamepad and keyboard mouse. Cool. Oh, wow. Wait. What? Wait, oh, my scheme needs a oh my gosh. Am I doing this wrong? I really don't know. Oh no, my window's gone. Uh-oh. Yeah, this is kind of suspect to me here. It's... okay. Now I see. I did this wrong. Shoot, how do I add one? Oh boy. Keyboard and mouse. And then delete this control scheme. Aw, shit, here we go again. Okay. Now things make sense to me again. Okay, so to do this, all I gotta do is just check these off over here. I guess while we're at it, let's go ahead and add a thing for the menu button. Whatever. Button. Oh, geez. What are my options here? Okay, gamepad. I want, like, the start button, essentially. Oh, there's a start. Okay. Weirdly enough, the one thing I was most uncertain about seems to have worked perfectly. This mouse delta down here, it's just like, yeah, gotcha, that works. All the other inputs, I don't know what's going on, but that's okay. We'll get it figured out. Oh wait, were there interactions or something? Oh no, there's no room for that anyway. It's processors. Yeah, what is? Oh yeah, dead zones and stuff. Shoot. Definitely should do that, I guess. Stick dead zone. Boom. Wait. You can have a max dead zone? I think I, like, don't want that. What does interactions mean? Oh, okay, so I could do hold. Interesting. Yeah, so here's where things get a little messy because the code over here, like, this code works, but it doesn't work perfectly. Oh, and the other thing too is I guess we're checking, like, is it greater than 0? And then we move right a static amount. Oh, okay. So that's weird, and I might need to consolidate that with, like, maybe the values coming through the keyboard are just, like, lower, like way lower or something, which is why we're moving it like a tiny amount on keyboard. Let's open our input settings and set our max though. Oh, there is no max currently, so I guess let's get that set up. This rabbit hole is just going deeper and deeper. Okay. Dead zone max, I just say 1.0. Forget about it. If we ever want to have one, we can override it. Sure, that's fine. Digital normalized. Digital. Analog. Maybe don't normalize it. I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe just digital. I feel like held is a good interaction with this. Like, that should be a held value, I would assume. But what do I know? I don't know. Stick dead zone. Normalize vector 2, scale vector 2. I mean, we may also need to scale it as well, I guess. Oh, wait, what if I put down hold on this? That might fix the other problem we were having where we couldn't stop moving. And then I think... let's put a dead zone on all of this, because we want it for both, I think. I may come back to mess with that some more later. I didn't check any of the buttons. I should have checked them. Darn it. Yes. Why is there... oh, there's a setting I can set somewhere to autosave, but it does it every single time. So... I guess we'll know for sure. Okay, I think it did update it, but let's confirm. Oh my god. Any day now, it'll stop reloading stuff. There we go. We're back. Oh, nope, not done yet. Okay. So basically we'll want this as well. Oh shoot. I guess I should have put that up there. Oh well. I guess the to-dos shouldn't be here. Then I need the callback. Whoa! Nice documentation. So it will eventually be just deleting like all of... I guess it doesn't even really matter at this point. Wait, oh, I deleted the wrong thing. Yeah, I think we could just wipe all of this logic here. Should be okay. Oh, but you know what? Oh, crap. We'll need to add this to each of these, like, handle things here. Actually, you know what? Let's... This is dumb, but let's let the player keep moving their camera after they die. Why not? I mean, the long-term thing is they should be able to, like, I guess, ghost cam on people, or just even no-clip around and do whatever they want. This kind of sucks that I need to, like, copy-paste this here every time, but I don't really know what else to do. And it's not like this game has a million different inputs, so maybe that's okay. Boom, we got rid of our update loop. Ta-da! It's now all event-based, because all our update loop was doing was processing input. Actually, we may need to bring that back, I'm not sure. Because the camera being jagged, I think we may want to just read the raw input of the camera. But maybe I'm wrong, maybe this way we could do this. So, I guess the thing I'm kind of struggling with is I need to figure out how to end the processing of the input. We'll get there. Oh, crap! There's actually, like, an input system over... What is this thing? Oh, this is, like, the default... Oh, snap! Oh, no, that's the actual package, never mind. That is not the same thing as what's over here. Yeah. Ah! Oh, snap, it's like working. It's like working too well, though. Maybe we need to, like, calm that down by some factor. Okay, so the facade is still not working. Jump works. I'm going to respectfully not check if bomb is working because it will probably... I can't get away on keyboards, but on controller... Oh, I can't move anymore on controller, and the camera is just as jagged as it was ever. Okay, dang it. But jump works, okay. Jump on the controller works. What other buttons can we press? We can press start to leave the game, but let's put the bomb down first. It works. Start does not work. Oh, I didn't bind it. Damn it. I didn't bind start. That's why it's not working. So we need one more now. Oops. Oh my god, what did I call it? Also, before I forget. I don't know why I was able to move last time and now I can't move at all. Maybe it's that dead zone, but I feel like that's super wrong. Shoot, where did it go? So all this stuff is working perfectly, which is awesome. Oh, on quit match, that's what it's called. It's just our camera's mostly working. It's not perfect. Actually, that's super weird, because that also has a dead zone set, so it's not a dead zone issue. Maybe this is getting called too frequently. Because the thing is, we move them right away in this, but this thing over here, this move amount, gets calculated and then used down here in the fixed update. So it might be getting set to like effectively 0. I'm not sure. Let's debug it, right? Why not? Yo, what is this music from? Oh, right, it's all from Mother. Oh, this is the end credits from the first Mother. And we're at the end of this, so I'm gonna need to pull up another, another soundtrack here. I got it primed and ready, chat. And it might be something I've played before, but it's not one of the usual things I play. I promise. Alright. Oh, yeah, okay, good. So step 1, we didn't instantly, like... Okay, so that's 0, that's fine. Then that's 1, that's also fine. Crap. What have I done? I'm wondering if, Oh yeah, no, we have that multiplied by move speed, so that's fine. Oh yeah, that would be a good thing, right? So let's listen to this twice, see if maybe it's instantly getting overridden. Oh, here we go again with this. What, you stop the debugger? Let me destroy everything. Why does it do that? I really need to set up like a test room. I don't know. Okay, so it is not reading any inputs whatsoever. Okay. Can't really keep W held down. But yeah, once again we have our move input. It's 0, 1, which is fine. Press up. Our movement speed is 3. So our move amount, which was 0, should now be... Wait, what? How? Smooth move velocity and smooth time. Where are you getting those from? Oh, right, those are maybe variables? I don't know. Oh, yeah. Okay, so it's taking like a slurp between these two. Is it just moving it too lightly? I'm not sure. Well, anyway. Next song, or next OST here. Which appears to just be loud for some reason. I can't win. Can never win. Just always gets louder. Okay, I mean, I guess that's correct. What is smooth move velocity? How does that... Oh, okay, so that gets set by this thing. And we only use it for this reference here. So it comes out of this calculation. Wait, should I be using this? I mean, this was working previously, but like... And the smooth time is 0.5 or 0.15. That is something we have, I think, serialized. Yeah. I don't know why I set my variables like this. And then down here there's just other ones too, because why not? So it's not like any of that changed, you know? So what the heck? Poof, he's gone. God damn it. The balance on this OST is out of this world. So still getting values between 0 and 1 on the keyboard, just like it was previously. You know what? Hold up, chat. I need to go consult with my very well put together source control here. And not just an old copy of the files before I just erased everything I just erased. It's totally not what's happening off screen here. Whenever my, there we go. Fictional hard drive decides to get back to me here. Alright, just to double check real quick, like. Before, when we were handling movement... Well, I guess I'll just copy this into screen here. Oh, the editor's still debugging. So this is what we were doing previously. This is what I just erased. This was working. Get access raw. Horizontal and vertical. So it's getting... Oh, it's getting the right values. Dot normalize. I mean, actually, you know, it's funny. I don't even like need this dot normalized if I use that one filter, the thing I took off earlier, the normalized vector, or wait, down here, digital normalized, so it'd be effectively the same. I don't know, that probably won't change anything, because a normalized vector is just a vector that's set to, like, overall length 1, so if it's 0, 0, 1, it's just still going to be 0, 0, 1 after you normalize it, which we already confirmed that in the debugging, so yeah. Nothing has changed about how this input processing works. It's coming through here, it's just, it grabs the walk speed, which is fine. You know, I guess the difference is it was doing this every frame, as opposed to, like, only when it calls this event. That must be what's different. So something else is cutting this off. In fact, actually, hold on. Let me check really quick. Okay, no, this does not get affected by what's happening in the fixed update. It only gets affected by what's being called here. But maybe that smoothing or something is, like, throwing it off? I don't know. I don't even know what this is here for. We don't use this anywhere else. Oh! Okay. So that would be the current velocity. And then, okay, so that'll get passed back in. This must be the difference here. So this would be this should be ramping up. Here, let's throw a debug in here. Let's see if this gets called a bunch of times or like just once maybe, because I mean I know it's not getting called just once because the camera one works, and that's also reading, like, the camera one's set up exactly the same way that this one is. So it has to be getting called more than once, but I bet it's being called less than it was previously. Oh no, it only gets called once. Interesting. That would do it. Okay. Let's go back to fiddling with our settings here. Maybe something else is wrong down here. Let's go back to digital normalized here. Maybe this doesn't work at the top level. Maybe I need to do it down here or something. I don't know. You know what? Actually, while we're on, I want to see if this smooths out the, I don't know how this works. Maybe if I hover over it? No. I might need to go look at the docs in a sec here, but, I wonder if putting this on each of these individually will fix this issue. No. Oh wait, hold on though. Yeah, no, it's only doing it once. Okay. I mean, that is the issue. Well, did this thing fix? Oh no, I broke the other thing, actually. Okay, hold I think maybe doesn't work the way I thought it does. Let's get rid of hold. Did I have any other modifier? I guess I would have seen that on here if it did need to have hold. Pardon me. Yeah, none of this does. So maybe in the processing, maybe that one is not the same, like on pressed or whatever. Maybe we do like, oh no, dot performed. Okay, just like the other ones. Yeah, move XZ is basically like what we want to work off of here. Oh, wrong project. It's just a value. It's a vector 2. This is a composite, 2D vector, digital normalized. It's composite, 2D vector, digital normalized. Blah. Same buttons. I guess the difference is that that is instantly moving, and this is like moving over time. All right. Rather than read the docs, I'm gonna check this out. Unity input system while repeat, yeah. Repeat while held. Callback context.read value as button. What the fuck do you do with that? So context.read value as button? Oh, huh. E. So, wait, no, put that back, actually. I want to know one more thing. Because this seems to suggest that I should, like, set this, while it's being called. Or, like, set a flag somewhere that, like, oh, hey, this was called. And then elsewhere, process the, like, movement update or whatever. Which is okay, except since this is an analog input for a controller, how do I, like... Wait, they're moving. What the fuck? Oh, they won't stop. Okay, so this one keeps calling it. Oh, and it's weird. The more you move it... Oh, man. Okay, so it will get recalled each time the movement updates. That's... Or the move updates. Okay, I'm kind of understanding what I need to do now. And probably something similar for the camera as well. Where we, like... Basically, we're not handling moving stuff in this event. We're just logging, like, okay, well, you should be moving now. And then when it returns to 0, we need to return this to 0. I forget if this works. Oh, I guess there's dot equals, that'll work. So we'll have a hard exit here. So we will need to bring back the update loop here. Hey, what's up, Brayna? Yeah. We'll need moving player, and then I'm gonna need to do something similar for the camera, so we'll also have moving camera. Oh. Yeah, I think that's probably right. Oh man, okay, yeah. Maybe I should make a method that's called stop player, because there's probably other reasons we'll want to stop them from moving. Yeah, I'll do that in a second. Maboo player. Okay. Yeah, we're basically gonna move this logic elsewhere. Yeah, that seems good. And then, this one might be a little jankier, so we're gonna leave this in here for now. There's definitely some jank going on with the... with the camera movement anyway on the controller. It works fine on the player. I might need to actually, I probably don't even need that if branch there, or maybe I do just to like tell it it's not moving anymore. That debug statement helped me way more than actually debugging the code. It's like, oh, it's only getting called once. Well, that makes a lot of sense suddenly. And the reason it worked at all on the controller is because it would move a little bit more. Like each time you updated the value, it would call this again. So if it got called enough times, it would actually start moving you. This might be... I don't know how quick it is to do this vector dot equals. Maybe I shouldn't be doing that in something that might get called a lot. Yeah, so we don't even really... basically what we should do here is... stop player movement. Make a new method, because I think we'll have other purpose or reasons to use this from different contexts later. I'd rather not just copy paste the same code. Oh, come on. Wait, why doesn't it like that? Oh! That's why it doesn't like that. Those aren't, those aren't floats. We're gonna get rid of this handle move. I think this, oh my god. Actually, we won't get rid of this because we'll still need this logic, just with something a little different in it. I don't know why I picked a Kirby game to... yeah. For a nice relaxing, game dev stream here. Okay, so this logic will basically just become our, like, update loop. We'll want to call this from the update loop, so long as, oh my god, it gets even crazier. And I'm going to move all this stuff outside of all of our event processing logic here. Ah. Well, we didn't get rid of our update. Let's test how that works, because I'm more concerned about making movement work consistently here. Y'all nice and relaxed yet? Ah, it didn't work. But why? Oh, we also never set moving to false. That could be a problem. Oh wait, no, we never set it to true. We only set it to false. Oops. Yeah, that would do it. On the boss fight now. Hey, our movement's so almost back to normal, except never stops. Damn it. How do I know when you let go of a button? Oh, and that crispy, smooth movement on controller. I don't really... Oh, you know what? It's the same thing. The camera moves smoothly when you're, like, constantly moving. Ah, okay. So it's the exact same problem. Alright, but also I don't know how to make it so that it doesn't... so that we can stop moving, I guess. The only reason it's stopping is because I'm pressing the controller where it's like... I'm actually not stopped, I'm moving... Oh no, I guess I am stopped. I don't know why that worked in the controller. But it's not calling the update again on release. Maybe that's something we can listen for, though. Cancelled, maybe? Event that is triggered when the action has been started, but then cancelled from being fully performed. That doesn't seem right. So like an end, finished, released. Oh, I guess this, but that's kind of fucking weird. Oh, I guess it is on canceled. Okay. Wow. Could you share more of your code? Damn it. I don't see where their binding is in their example. Oh, wait, here we go. Okay, yeah, canceled is probably what I'm looking for. And then we will also need this for the camera. That works for me. And then we need on move player end. Let's move stop move player like down here somewhere. Under handle movement seems appropriate. It's the opposite of movement, so hey, they can go next to each other. Hey, we can stop again. Huzzah! Can we lay bombs still? We sure flippin' can. Oh no, I forgot about the remote detonation. Wait, how does that work? What? Oh, I guess the old control input still does work somehow. Alright, we need to update that too, though. Oh, I forgot to check if the... Well, okay, let's update that. We'll add that in here, too. That probably will be a little complicated, though. But whatever. Detonate. We'll use the east button for that. On the gamepad. And then we will use, what is it set to currently? E, I think? Sure. Again, these things can always be modified. Oh, I need to set that to this scheme. That doesn't matter yet, but we can actually dynamically enable and disable control schemes. Which will be pretty... We can do some cool stuff with that eventually. Is this, like, super loud? No. We're good. I feel like I'm like trying to talk over the music, but in reality it's just loud in my headset. You know what? Let me just turn it down in my headset a little bit. There we go. How far into this are we? Okay, we're not even like halfway. We got a whole hour left of Kirby music. Good. Okay, well we've solved half of this problem. The only thing we still need to do is make the camera smooth for the controller, which to do that, all we have to do is adapt the same pattern that we just put in place for movement. It's already halfway there. We just need to take this logic at the end over here. And instead of returning there, just do an else. Actually, you know what? What am I doing? I can just do this. And I can do that in the player as well, or the player movement as well. Oh, I guess in the player movement it does more than just like set moving to false though, so I guess... Yeah, that's fair. That is fair. Oh, you know what though? This might actually not be necessary. I'm gonna try this. And if we're good there, I think we can just continue on. Seems to be working over here. Working over here as well. God, it's awkward to play with the PlayStation controller upside down. Boom. The exit button works too. Ignore this arrow down here, that always happens. Okay, yeah, so we don't need to zero check this. It will stop on its own. Because it's not even to call this when it's at 0, so that's just an extraneous check at this point. Moving camera, forget that noise. Oh, well, we still need to set it, but just true. And then we take this. Wait a second. Oh, we're rotating ourselves, too. I didn't even notice that. I guess maybe we don't need to do that. But at the same time, we do want... Okay, well, I'll revisit that later. I don't know why I always throw we in this, like anyone else is working on this game. It's just me. Okay. So... Ah. Dang it. Line up right. There we go. Okay, cool. We still need to wire up that other button, and I just completely ignored that. I'm all over the place right now. Oh, you know what else? Alright, we're gonna do it this way. Camera moves first. And technically that doesn't even happen the same way, because it's like... the player will move in coordination with the fixed update, so this call doesn't even move the player, it just sets up the thing to move the player when it's ready to be called. I don't know why I put a comment there. I know how fixed update works, thank you. Thank you, past Goon. Cool, okay, so we got this going. Make sure I didn't break anything with that change. Oh, yeah, no, there we go. So that'll just set the values and we're good to go. I guess any of the above. All seems to be on the up and up. I need to remind myself where the hell we're reading input for detonating the remote bombs. Oh, I think it might be in the update loop on the remote bombs. That is no good. Shoot. Let's see more jagged. I don't know. Alright, let's see how it looks on controller, though. Oh! Might need to adjust the sensitivity there. Oh, shoot, we need to make the run button, too. Darn it. Okay, that one will be easy. Let's do that next. Ah! I actually don't... Does Bomberman need a run button? Whatever. We have it implemented already, let's put it in. Oh crap, what should it be on? Oh man, what is... It's left shoulder. I guess there's only left shoulder. Oh, left trigger. Okay. Let's go with left trigger. Seems like a good button. Ah, what if detonate was right trigger instead? Now I'm thinking. Now I'm gaming. This will be the shift button. And then I think we don't want any dead zone or anything on that, so that'll be good. Good, good, good. Okay, that all seems about right. Yes, save my changes. And then let's process it. Basically, I'm just gonna have is running, and then that'll set on performed and unset it on unperformed. It's like, which code base is it? Ah, actually, I think I could do better than that. Somewhere in here, oh, dang it. There was a code example I saw in this Stack Overflow thread. Ah, but it doesn't show what it's calling. Damn it. There's something you can call, I guess, that has, like, it'll call it when it gets performed and also when it gets cancelled, so I could just check, like, was it just performed or was it just cancelled? But I think that's probably just too much there. Okay, so we want 2 more input actions, actually. Detonate and ruin. I feel like this is like really janky setting things up this way, but then once it's set up, it's like super dynamic, so like maybe I'm worrying too much. Although maybe this one class probably shouldn't do all of this stuff, and by maybe I mean definitely not. We'll refactor this later, probably. Oh, we haven't checked if any of this works with multiple people yet. I guess we'll need to do that soon. That'll be up next. Okay, so then we just need to add... And then detonate, we just need to listen for the performed. Well, this is interesting. Because basically, I'll need to send a signal out to all my bombs. I guess I need to check if they are remote bombs. I have all of them listed on the player, right? I think that's a variable I keep track of. Yeah, list of bombs, okay. In fact, I don't even need to like get component, I can just do an is a check since I have the direct reference to it. Yeah, that seems fine. Now, the fun question is... since I have a list, I could actually implement this the normal way, where like now I can actually like set them off one by one. That might be good. Hold on. Let's check. Well, okay, let's implement run first, I guess. Well, we'll implement all of them, but I minorly regret putting on Kirby music. It's like a little bit much. It's like oh, why are these static? Wait. How in the hell is that one static? Excuse me? Oh, I guess that is static. Weird. Okay, whatever. So instead of input.get left key here, we'll just check is running. And now there should be no more input dot. Oh god. Yeah. Cool. There is no space input dot in this file anymore. But there is still one in the other script file, which is why we need to implement this on detonate. So I think just need to go to remote bomb here. I think screw all this. So explode, is that private? It's public. Okay, so other things can call it. So I think we could just straight up remove this. What is init bomb data? Oh, well. Ah, right. Yeah, this thing doesn't need to do anything in there, so that's good to go. But now we need to call that. It is a little weird to have the player... I guess maybe not, because it is the player's bombs. And I guess, you know, another thing we could do too is if... Oh, well, first of all, if the match is over or if you're dead, ignore this, I guess. Or if you don't have remote bombs, ignore this. Cool. But if you do... I'm trying to think if there's like a situation where you'd like lose remote bombs, but you still have one on the field somewhere. Maybe we don't make that last check. I don't know. Yeah, you know what? That's fine. Because the thing is, like, you could have remote bombs and not all of your bombs are going to be remote bombs. I don't think we're going to, like, take it away from you, but maybe we would. I don't know. This'll handle all situations. If you have your player has a remote bomb active on the field, pressing detonate will work regardless of whatever your player state is. Oh. That's why it wasn't working. So this way it'll explode the first bomb that you have. And I think that like calls a reference back up to this, does it not? Start explosion, spawn bomb. Oh no, yeah. The end of the explosion is what takes it back to the player, and then we remove it from the bomb list. I think that should all just be okay. Yeah, okay. It's like a weird loop that's going on here. Cool. I believe that will all work just fine, and I think we've done it now, or done this now. But let's find out. Oh shoot, there's not a guaranteed remote bomb spawner in here. Damn it. You know what? The player's stopping really abruptly now. Maybe that's okay. But I think I might want to adjust that. I think I know how I can do it too. Camera's also really, like, snappy. Is that what I think it is? Are one of you what I want? Yes, you are. Okay, good. Okay, you got remote bombs. Not randomly going off on their own. So if I press detonate, it should be the first one, like that one over there that blows up. Yay! Oh, and the third one we will do with the controller. Boom. And that one's bigger because I got the fire power up afterwards. I don't have a good frame of reference to see if my run button's working or not. I think it is. I need to go back in here when there's, like, things in view still. Yeah, it looks like it is. Sweet. Run logic works. So this is, like, fully controller compatible now. Nice. That's cool. One last thing to check, chat. Does it work with two people? Ah! That's totally normal. Oh wait, shit. Okay, that's not good, it's rotating the other player. And we appear to be moving them as well. But the only reason we're moving... Oh wait, no, hold on. Yeah, okay, that's good. We were moving the other player because I was using the controller, and the controller is going to read input on both my screens. It doesn't matter that I'm, like, unfocused from the one window. But the keyboard input works, right? Cool. Why is it, like, such different color temperature between the two fucking... Like, here's the build, and then here's the, like... I guess the editor's not compiling something lighting related. I don't know why that makes it, like... the sepia filter, but whatever. That's fine. Oh, I guess let's check the other inputs. I guess we just gotta pray for the 50-50 chance that we get that remote bomb drop. Hey, we got it. Make sure, like, if I hold the button down... it's not breaking when I do that. That's pretty cool. Nice! It's, like, fully functional. That is dope. And on this end, if I, like, press explode, it doesn't blow up non-remote bombs. I didn't even test that, but yeah, okay, it's not doing a gosh darn thing. Good. I could still win, I assume. Tony Swan wins, baby. After Tony Swan was killed in an explosion, Tony Swan took the W. Cool. Well, damn, okay. That's pretty cool. Damn, I thought that was gonna take me longer. Don't mean that in like a bragging way, I just thought that was gonna eat up more time tonight. There's a couple things I could think of that we could do on the game. So one thing comes to mind. This main menu here. Oh right, everything's hidden. I'm like, where's the options? What the fuck? Title menu, I think is what I'm looking for. Yeah. Ah, man, I really don't want to do this though. I need to update this menu so that you don't just... I guess you could just jump straight into a game. That's probably okay for now. Eventually, though, I want to add different game modes. And also, like, the editor and everything. Like, opening up the editor, saving files to, like, different locations. I'm trying to think of, like, a good compartmentalized chunk of that I can achieve tonight, though. And I'm struggling. It's not... I know we're only like 2 hours in, but I started a little bit late. It's almost 11. Ah, man. Yeah, I might just call it here on Game Dev, but I could play some games. I think... Yeah, I think I'm good here. I don't know. So yeah, we got our control scheme completely revamped so that we're not using the legacy input reader anymore. And we made it an actual third-person game. Amazing, I know. And controller support, too, as a side effect of using the new input system. It just, boom, now we just have controller support. Actually, one thing I want to check this out before we wrap up here. Oh, you know what, actually, this menu... We're eventually going to need to add, like, controller support for the menus. But as seen in in Goon's House of Doom, that is not a straightforward endeavor. I connected a 360 controller. I guess you can kind of see that if you can read this down here. But I just assume it's probably illegible. Shoot. Why player auto win? What? How did that happen? What the fuck? Oh, I'm on the wrong screen, that's why. Okay, movement and... Oh, the buttons do work, actually. Interesting. Okay, they all seem to work just fine. Uh-oh. Okay, that definitely was already an issue. Yeah. Sweet, okay, so yeah, we are set. I don't need to, like, rebind it for all the controllers. I can definitely close this by now, I think. I think at this point, the level... Well, okay, the next thing I want to do, actually... So this will probably be next week, because this is going to be a huge thing, but I want to get the level editor added into the main game. So that you can actually open it up, and then... The tricky thing is, like, saving it in the right spot. I guess what I did on the level editor code that we made the one stream would work. but I might want something a little more robust than that, so you have like actual knowledge of like where you're saving your files and everything. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe it's fine to just put it in like the data folder and then like a subfolder in there. Well, we'll figure that all out next time. But yeah, I think this is it for game dev tonight. But I will switch to a game. I don't know what I'm switching to though. We'll figure that out in a minute here. But I'm gonna take a break first. So enjoy the Kirby music. I'll be right back, and then we'll switch to playing a game. Thanks for hanging out, y'all. If anyone's dropping off because they don't want to watch me play games, totally understandable. Thanks for joining for the game dev. And have a good one.